selfish cunts, myself included, at least what we left for you was research on what are the good drugs and what are the bad drugs. You know, because everybody's having all these fucking breakthroughs with their mushrooms and shit. I kind of did the same thing, so, you know. And then, you know, then there's the evil shit. Coke, the heroin, synthetic heroin, all of that fucking shit. We know this stuff, Bill. Anyway, this guy comes up. He's in the dark room. Whatever the fuck he took, this guy was in the dark room. So I went up. I did a set at Supernova. I had a great time. Just fucking with people. I'm really trying to get my act where I want it to be, because as always, I got shit to say about the ladies, but I want to do it in a way that they're going to be receptive. Okay? I don't want them to be like, because what's the point of that? They're not going to listen. I want to do it more like a fucking halftime speech of how they can get their shit together. All right? And how arrogant is that for a man to tell women how to get their shit together? What kind of a man would do that? How arrogant would I be to do that? I mean, what am I, a woman? Only women do that. My wife is always telling me how I can be a better person, and she does not give me a halftime speech. She talks to me like the game's already over and we lost by 40. The fuck was that out there? I will not be embarrassed like that one more fucking time. So I'll tell you right now, if what I saw out there today during that brunch is what the fuck the rest of the scene's gonna look out, that's the door right over there. And you gotta ask yourself, do I wanna be here? Those are the speeches I get. Not saying I don't deserve it. Not saying I don't deserve it, right? Yeah, because I do. Plus, I respond to that shit. I respond to negativity. Don't come at me with your feelings and tell me that you care. I'm not even going to listen to you. I just feel gross, and I'm folding myself up into myself, or I want to walk out of the room. Do not come with me. Come at me with love.